Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete a record in HubSpot CRM using API. So let's say, for instance, we have two systems. You have portal A and then portal B. So you want when you create once you delete a record in portal A, so that record must be deleted in portal B. Okay, so we have this custom coded actions A operations have HubSpot. So the script, the way that it does. Number one, first of all, is going to search if a record exists in HubSpot. If in portal B, in the system B, so if it does not exist, it's going to create a record and then exchange IDs. So it's exchanging the IDs there, as you can see, we have 1 to 9. Then it's exchanging the ID there, and then for this one, vice versa. So like that. So now we want to add a delete functions. So the way that we're gonna do it, HubSpot, we have updates, we have the endpoint, we have update endpoint, we have do search, and then we have create. So now we're gonna do the delete functions. So later, for instance, we comment this one out for now. Okay, so now what we do is let's get this. Pum, 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 pum. Yeah. So let's just get this one here, copy it, put it on top. So if the record exists, into portal B and then delete it. So we don't need this one. And then here we're gonna just say the portal ID has been deleted. Okay, deleted successfully. And then here endpoint delete. So in HubSpot, is either we're gonna have this, but it depends on the endpoint. So we're gonna have another kind of like workflow that is gonna be focused only on the delete functions, which is gonna have a trigger of delete. So if the delete has been happened from the portal A, and then after that it's gonna delete from the portal B. So here we use archive. Just do this. We use archive. Okay, so now record deleted. Let's test. So we're gonna call. So here we have those information there, which is representing this one here. So we're running the tests. So we want to target exam 4 that is recorded here to delete that. So the script is gonna check for this ID. So this ID here, which is there, and then the delete is gonna look up for that ID and then a test. Okay, let's see. Okay, recorded it successfully. And then we come here. Let's check if it's been deleted. Yeah, boom, the stuff has been deleted. So this is the way that of doing the delete function. So we're using archive. So HubSpot has used archive to do the deleting stuff like that. All right, so that's the way of doing the delete function method in HubSpot. All right, thank you so much.